On behalf of the Indian Society of Law, I would like to welcome Honorable Solicitor of Law, Dr. Pramod Sawant, along with our esteemed guests here at the ESG courtyard, symbolizing infinite opportunities. The logo of the ESG marks a brand new beginning, and it's a proud moment for us. Let me celebrate this unveiling with a round of applause, and may I please request Sir to also unveil the plaque, which will remain here to mark the occasions of my
अरे चांस तू सकल तू भाई सकल या मर टेंशन घेऊ नका साइड सीएमओ तू जाओ रे सीएमओ जाओ रे आणि की रास्ता मी रास्ता मला वर गिर बेटा तुको पर्यंत सांगलेला आहे पुढे बस असत कॅमेरा येतो येतो तू आता मामा मागतो सकल क्या मास्टर सकल फ्लॅश भीतर आगा आगा मास्टर पुढे हां करा फट करा
all the press please turn around.
Okay.
And we want a photo shoot from this side.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello.
Thank you. बस मरे मातशें बसा म्हणलें बस बस काय ना बस आता फाटल्यान ओके ओके शर्मत असं आहे शर्मत असं अजित पर आहे पुढे बस अजित सारखं फाटल्यान अरे मोदी
Jharkhand we were in talk, but due to COVID we could not organize the festival. Besides other important tasks, ESG also provides permissions for film shooting across the state of Goa on behalf of the government as a nodal agency through a digital platform. It has made concerted efforts in the past 16 years to conduct educational lectures and courses which have not only benefited creative minds but also encouraged students and budding professionals in the fields of entertainment and film industry. In this process, ESG in the year 2019 collaborated and signed MOU with Goa College of Art, the Government of Goa Institute, to inculcate and involve students in the mainstream through its activities and events. I would like to remind all of you who were present in the last year EFI, that's 50th EFI. The last year there was a big installation by Goa College of Art students on the promenade of Kandovi. ESG also has a cinephile club for the film enthusiasts whose members regularly used to attend films, talk shows, in conversation, etc. in the auditorium of McNeese Plaza every Thursday. And it has been a regular activity. It has been halted because of COVID-19 situation, but we are definitely going to start it after the inauguration of these shows in these theatres. In future, ESG is looking forward to establish itself as an organization that can enrich the entertainment industry through its sincere efforts by taking activities like formulating a comprehensive policy for the film shooting in the state of Goa under ease of doing business through a proper digital platform which will make the entire shooting permission completely seamless operation. Starting a line producer registration and encouraging youth to join this field of entertainment industry. Executing various events along with other departments and with private organizations to make it a complete entertainment solution provider. And last but not the least, knowledge and infrastructure upgradation that will benefit the state and its society. Today's date is very important for all of us since it will take ESG from being a revenue sufficient organization to revenue surplus organization, which can utilize its additional resources in the promotion of entertainment industry in Goa without putting extra burden on the state finances. With these words, I would like to once again welcome all the dignitaries and everyone present here in this function of launch of new logo of ESG and inauguration of refurbished and renovated marketplace. Thank you.
A complex here where people can be together and they can really enjoy it as a festival. I really thank Inox for that.
might be the occasion, nothing is more satisfying than a full house on a big Audi.
Thank you to Inox for encouraging this kind of stuff.
With amazing screens, sound, and there's a reason that it has been chosen for IFFI as well. The Inox screen is amazing. When you spend so long making the film, every detail that you've done shows in the right format. It's a thrill.
Honorable Mayor Shri Matkaikar, the Vice Chairman ESG Mr. Phal Desai, CEO ESG Mr. Satija, Mr. Chaitanya Prasad, Mr. Sanjeev Rodrigues, Mr. Siddharth Kulekar. It's great that all of you are here today when we are relaunching Inox. I would like to thank ESG for allowing me to speak a few words on this momentous occasion. And for Inox, yes, it's a momentous occasion that we are relaunching this newly refurbished cinema hall. But for me as a person who's seen this coming up in 2004, I would say it's a very emotional. We launched this with Mr. Parrikar being the Chief Minister. We have Mr. Rodrigues, who's sitting here, Mr. Siddharth, Ms. Sanchita Rodrigues. I can't forget the entire team of ESG and Dominic Fernandez. All of us work 24/7 to ensure that the promise which we had made to the Government of India and to the Government of Goa, that the venue will be ready for IFFI, we had to do that, and we made it ready at that time. And now, under the leadership of Mr. Satija, Ms. Manal is sitting here, Mr. Santosh is here, the entire team of ESG, I think we have worked tirelessly to ensure that we do this and we make this one of the best cinema halls in the country. Today, Inox is about 16 years old in Punjab, and 16 years is like a teen where a person wants to be vibrant, a person who wants to be youthful, energetic, and that I think we've tried to convey in the cinema hall which we have just made. That it's totally different from what it was in 2004, and now in 2021, it's a different venue we are giving to all our patrons who will come and visit this place, and especially be here during IFFI, which is just a few days away. Well, if I can take a second to reminisce and talk about the times we had in 2004, where I, though, was heading the entire technical division, but because of the promise we had given to the state, I was literally a person who was working on this site for 18 hours a day. Remember coming in the morning at 8 o'clock, going home for lunch, coming back again, and then also doing the night shift. And that, I would say, with everybody, including the entire team of ESG and the government Goa officials we had at that time. And now, the same thing was repeated in 2020 and 21, where we got fantastic support from everyone, from the government and from ESG, to ensure that we meet our deadlines. So it's been a great journey for us. It's been what we talk about Inox being made on 3 pillars of technology, of luxury and service. And that's exactly what we'll be doing over here. This is the first cinema in the entire Inox stable where we have all auditoriums equipped with Atmos sound. So that is something which we have over here. The auditorium where we are sitting has got which we call a big pix, where there are two projectors throwing light on the screen so that the intensity of the light is much higher and everything is crystal clear. So these are just a few of the things, apart from a brand new lobby, very, I would say, a refreshing refuel counter, the food counter which we have, the seats, the recliners we have in 2 auditoriums, so that we want to give the best to our patrons who come and visit Inox. So once again, thank you, sir. Thank you everybody from the government. We thank our PMC partners who made it possible for us to do this in record time. Thank you very much.
Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Entertainment Society of Goa, I once again welcome you all to this newly inaugurated refurbished ESG Inox Complex Multiplex. The chief guest of today's function, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramodji Sawant, the Mayor of City of Panjim, Sri Udayji Madkikar, the CEO of ESG, Sri Amit Satejaji, the CEO of Inox, Sri Alok Tandonji, members of ESG, Executive Council and General Body, press, media, Team ESG, Team Inox, and my dear brothers and sisters. It is my honor and privilege to be here at the inaugural ceremony of our grand and superb multiplex, originally built under the dynamic leadership of then Chief Minister, late Sri Manohar Bhai Parrikar, in 2004. The multiplex has served as an internationally acclaimed theatre and has hosted screenings of 16 editions of the International Film Festival of India. Mr. Alok Tandonji, the CEO, has been our continuous partner since inception of ESV in Goa, and today he has again proved his love and affection for Goa through his beautiful creation. Thank you, Tandonji. Putting up the huge infrastructure in a time-bound manner, within 8 to 9 months amidst the pandemic, it was a challenging task. There were lots of complexities as regards to material availability, labor supply, engineers, technical partners, etc. And despite of all these challenges, Team Inox and Team ESG have delivered this beautiful international standard multiplex in the most critical condition. When the whole world was shut due to COVID pandemic, the challenging job at the multiplex was on war front to meet the targeted deadline for smooth conduct of 17th edition of IFFI. The renovated multiplex has been totally upgraded to match the ever-enhancing international standards and will provide its audience a high-definition, high-quality, high-image, Atmos sound, best-in-class sitting, and will be unforgettable cinematic experience to the movie lovers. On this occasion, I would also like to congratulate our partner, the Inox, under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Alok Tandonji, for making this possible and offering such a beautiful, amazing, high-class multiplex for Goans. The renovation or refurbishment of ESG multiplex at no cost to ESG nor to the government, besides which we will also be receiving highest monthly rentals of rupees 54 lakhs per month with incremental of 5% every year as compared to earlier, which was fixed at 20 lakhs per month in the past. Initially, the proposal was that the government would spend whopping sum of rupees 22 crores for the renovation. However, the Honorable Chief Minister intervened and directed the ESG to float a tender inviting esteemed agencies to invest and to be a partners in our efforts to provide world-class infrastructure to Goans. And I'm happy that the same dream has become a reality today. Thank you, CM sir. In a coordinated approach to ensure a single window system of according permissions for film shooting, ESG has developed a calibrated approach and taking a vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji under the ease of doing business, the gaps that needs to be completed. I assure the film fraternity that it would be done so in a town-bound manner. It is under the leadership of our Honorable CM and the Chairman that the film shooting policy has been formulated and it is at its final stage. Our aim and endeavor to capitalize on Goa's natural beauty, heritage and culture and to place Goa on the world map for tourism, event and entertainment. ESG as an organization is set on a journey to establish itself on a global platform and will continue to make sincere efforts to create a robust infrastructure for Goan film, events and entertainment industry. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
आणि तशेंच नवीन ESGच्या लोगोच्या इनॉग्रेशनच्या प्रोग्रामाक माझ्या बरोबर व्यासपीठार आसात आमचे पणजेचे महापौर बाबूदाय मडकईकर, वायस चेअरमॅन सुभाष फळदेसाय, आयनॉक्सचे CEO बाबा लोक टंडन आणि आमचे सेक्रेटरी बाबा अमित सतेजा, म्हणजे समोर आशिल्ले सगळे जनरल बॉडीचे मेंबर, ESGचे जनरल बॉडी मेंबर आणि एक्झिक्युटिव्ह काउन्सिल मेंबर, प्रेस मिडिया फ्रेंड्स, मोगाळ भावांनो आणि भयणांनो, सगळ्यात पयली खूप खोस भोगता ESG जे आसा हें सेल्फ सस्टेन जाता, स्वयंपूर्ण जाता. आमी जेका म्हणटा की गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण जावपाक जाय, त्याच धर्तीचेर ESG हें स्वयंपूर्णता जावपाक लागला. म्हाका दिसता ऑलमोस्ट जाल्ल्यान जमा आसा. कारण ज्या पद्दतीन जो इनिशियल टेंडर फ्लोट केल्लो म्हाका दिसता तो गव्हर्मेंटाक कितलेशेच मोठ्या प्रमाणात लॉस जाता आशिल्लो. आमचो स्पेशली आय एम कॉंग्रेच्युलेटिंग फॉर द अमित सतेजा, म्हणजे ताणें इनिशिएटीव्ह घेवन, म्हणजे म्हाज्या इन्स्ट्रक्शनाचेर ताणें इनिशिएटिव्ह घेवन ताणें रिटेंडर्ड केलो आनी ज्या पद्दतीन ताणें रिटेंडर्ड करून फ्लोट केलो आनी सपोर्ट गिवन बाय द आयनॉक्स टीम, they already floated and one of the best infrastructure given for the state. Once again, congratulations to you and your entire team. During the pandemic, खूप जाणांक दिसतालें सगळें काम बंद जालां आनी खरोखरूच सगळी कडेन बंद जालां. बट जर तुमी पळयशात 8 म्हयन्याच्या म्हाका दिसता त्याच पिरियडात आयनॉक्साचें सगळें काम सुरू आशिल्लें, म्हणून तर आज आमकां इनॉग्रेट करपाक मेळटा. खरोखरूच एंटायर टीम जे आयनॉक्स रिपेर करपा खातीर तेजे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स आशिल्ले सगळे वर्कर्स, तांकांय हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता. ड्युरींग द पॅन्डमिक तांच्यांनी खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीचें काम जें आसा तें हांगासर केल्लें आसा. एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा दर इज आमची विजनरी लिडर्स मनोहर पर्रीकर हांच्या कार्यकाळात सुरू केलें आनी 2004 कोणी हाचो विचार करूं नाशिल्लो की इफीचो 50th सेलिब्रेशन सुद्दां गोंयांत जातलें, हाचो कोणी तेन्ना विचार करूं नाशिल्लो. पण आमी पळयता एखादी सुरवात खूब बारीक प्रमाणात जाल्या उपरांत सुद्दां म्हणजे 50th आमी इफी मनयलें आनी आमी आतां त्या 16 तारखेच्यान परत इफीचें इनॉग्रेशन गोंयांत करता. म्हणजे ल्हानसो जो प्रोजेक्ट सुरू जाल्लो ताका व्हड स्वरूप म्हणजे एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा ह्या सोसायटी खातीरच तांकां दिवपाक मेळ्ळें. एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी म्हाका दिसता देर इज अ गूड स्कोप फिल्म इंडस्ट्री गोंयांत, म्हणजे पॅन्डमिकच्या काळात फिल्म स्टुडिओ आसतलो, परत तांची फिल्म सिटी आसतली, हाज्या खातीर आमचो PPP सेल जो एक्टिवेट जाला, पब्लीक प्रायवेट पार्टनरशीप सेल स्पेशली एक्टिवेटेड, त्या खातीर डिफरंट प्रायवेट सेक्टरांतले प्रोजेक्ट गोंयांत येवपा खातीर आनी विशेश करून फिल्म सिटी, फिल्म शूटिंग, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ही गोंयांत एस्टाब्लिशमेंट जावची, जेणे करून एंटरटेनमेंटान गोंयांत खूब स्कोप आसा. गोंयांतलो कितलोसो टॅलंट जो आसा तो लोकां समोर येवपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता निश्चितूच खूब बरो स्कोप आसा. लास्ट टायम तांच्यांनी जो टायअप आपलो गोवा आर्ट कॉलेज हांच्या बरोबर केलो, सो दॅट अलॉंग वीथ लास्ट 2-3 इफी दे हॅव शोन दर इज अ व्हेरी मच वायड स्कोप फॉर द स्टुडंट्स. म्हाका सांगपाक खूब खोस भोगता. आजूच सकाळीं and Master in Fine Arts course जो आसा, which is a new course we have started in art college. म्हाका दिसता ताजे कडल्यान नवीन नवीन आर्टिस्ट आसतले, नवीन नवीन कलाकार आसतले, along with the ESG तेंचे खूब ब्रायट फ्युचर जावपा खातीर ESGच्या वतीन ईज ऑफ डुईंग द बिजनस तांच्यांनी वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली ज्यो करपाच्यो थारायल्या त्यो फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीन, एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्रीन गोंया खातीर खूब व्हड नांव जें आसा फक्त देशांतच न्हय तर इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेरूय बी निश्चितच नांव मेळयतलें. आयनॉक्स ज्या पद्दतीन तांच्यांनी ह्यो 4 स्क्रीन तेंच्यो रिनोवेट केल्या, इट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्क्रीन इन इंडिया आसतल्यो अशें म्हाका दिसता. रियली आय एम कॉंग्रेच्युलेटिंग यू फॉर द रिनोवेशन फॉर दीस ऑल द मल्टीप्लेक्स. आणि ह्याच मल्टीप्लेक्साच्यान म्हाका दिसता बाब सुभाष हांणी जशें सांगलें की डे बाय डे आमचें रेंट जें आसा हें आनीकूय वाडटलें आनी एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी इटसेल्फ म्हणजे अजुनूय वेगळे प्रोग्राम जे आसा इन एंटरटेनमेंट सेक्टर्स घेवपा खातीर इंडिपेंडंटली काम करतले. आयच्या दिसाच्यो म्हणजे 2 गजाली, मल्टीप्लेक्सचें इनॉग्रेशन आनी लोगोचें इनॉग्रेशन. खूब वर्सां उपरांत तांच्यांनी ESGन आपलो लोगोय चेंज केलो, वीच इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट लोगो तांच्यांनी चूज केला. त्या खातीर एंटायर टीम ऑफ द ESG वन हॅज वर्क फॉर टू डिझायन दीस लोगो. कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन फॉर देम ऑल्सो. हांव परत एकदां म्हणजे आयच्या दिसाच्यो तुमकां सगळ्यांक खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दिता आनी खरोखरूच म्हणजे गोंयांतल्या एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटीन म्हणा किंवा एंटरटेनमेंट फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीन आयचो दीस हो एक म्हत्वाचो दीस म्हणून वळखलो वयतलो. देव बरें करूं.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As we come to the closing of this function, the inauguration of our new ESG Inox Multiplex, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Shri Pramod Sawant, Honorable Mayor of CCP, Shri Uday Badkekar, CEO of Inox Leisure Limited, Shri Alok Tandonji, members of the press, media, and all our wonderful guests for joining us here and helping us to mark this happy and proud occasion. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards our very own